Hello everyone, welcome to Mifratech. Today in this section we'll continue with our Python course. So the following concept will be covered in this section. First we'll see what are comments in Python and how to write a comments in Python. So let's start our discussion with what are comments. So comments are non-executable lines in any program. So comments are usually added in order to increase the readability of the code. So if I have written any code means if you give it to any other person or if they want to execute means they don't understand any line or command means if you have commented those lines, comment is nothing but adding some description about the particular line in a program. So it will help us to understand their program. So if when you are writing a complicated program, if you just comment those lines, what they will particularly do, it will help us to help another person to understand your code. So it increase the efficiency of the code also. So in the final output, you are not going to get comments because they are non-executable, as I told earlier. So mainly it will help in the documentation purpose also. So we'll see how to write comments in Python. So we can write a single line comments and multiple line comments in Python. We'll see one by one. As I told, first we'll see single line comment, right? How to write a single line comment in Python. To do that, we have to use the hash symbol. By using this hash character, we can write a single line comment in Python programming language. If you if you at the starting of the line, if you use a hash and write anything in that line, that whole thing in that whole line will be considered as a comment only. So it will compile will not execute that line. So we will not get that line in the output also. So we'll see with an example. Here I have taken test is equal to 7 into 2 print test. So my pointed output will be like 7 into 2 14. So here I can write use the command that is star, that hash is equal to single line comment I have written. So this hash single line comment line will not be executed by the compiler. So this is the comment. In the same way, like if you are adding, like in this I have doing multiplication, instead of the single line comment I can write it as hash is equal to, it is a multiplication program if I write. So it will increase the readability of the program. As you can see in my final output I am getting only 40. So the single line comment will not be will not see in the output. So this is how you can write a single line comment using hash symbol, and it will increase the readability of the code. So next we'll see how to write a multiple line comment. So to write a multi-line comment, we can there are two ways you can write multi-line comment in Python. First by using the hash symbol, and next we'll use this triple quotes. Double quotes we are using 3 times inside anything will write inside this these quotes will be taken as a comment in Python. We'll see how to do it with an example. So hash, as I told, it will taken whenever we use hash in the beginning of the line, that whole line will be considered as a comment. As if you want to write a block of comments means in the every line you use hash the starting of the line, so that whole thing will be considered as a comment itself. So here I am taking a 3-line comment and I am printing at last I am printing print hello world. So if I execute this code, so these all 3 lines will be considered as a comment only. It will not be get executed by the compiler. My final output will be only a hello world. So this is how you can write a multi-line comment using this star, using this hash symbol. So next we'll see one other by using double quotes. So as you can see, by using double quote 3 times, so whatever you write inside this double quote 3 times, you enclose this double at the starting and write anything whatever you want to write as a comment, and close again with the 3 double quotes. So if you write anything inside these quotes, it will be considered as a comment in Python and will not be executed by the compiler. So again I am printing hello world. My final output I am not going to see these comments. I am going to see only the output hello world. So this is how you can write a multi-line comment using these codes also very easily. So this is very convenient in order to write a multi-line comment. So this is how you can write a single line comment and multi-line comments in Python programming language. So writing comment is very helpful in understanding the program very easily and for readability purpose. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you.